the relationship between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find
subliminal messages in entertainment media.
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious, subconscious, and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have
conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself is personality and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself